Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a rocket Appartamento with us in the shop, and it came in for overheating issues. We also recommended a tune-up, but we didn't go through with the tune-up just due to the customer request. So we did replace it with the new pressure stat. As you can see over here, you have a older pressure stat, more traditional than most espresso machines. But we did replace it with the newer style with the added resistor to the stat. But now we're just going to quickly test the machine. Again, we didn't do any sort of tune-up or anything along those lines. I did clean the machine physically. And so, yeah, now we're just going to let it run. Let it run for a few more seconds. And then we're going to test the steam one. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.